And in this lockdown period, the world is going through a very difficult time because of the COVID-19 effect. So in this free time, I would like to introduce you to Dalgona Coffee, which is the favorite beverage in the world right now. This has been originated in South Korea, and the name of this is also called as the quarantine coffee. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's have a look at the ingredients that are required for making the Dalgona coffee. A glass of milk, little bit of coffee powder, serving glass, sugar, a few ice cubes, whisker, and a bowl to mix all the ingredients.
We take a bowl in which we add 2 teaspoons of instant coffee powder, and after this we add 2 teaspoons of sugar. And later on add some warm water. And now we whisk this solution until it turns into a light yellowish color.
Take a serving glass and add a few ice cubes to it. Now let's pour the milk into it.
Now we add the whipped mixture into the milk.
Now let's sprinkle a bit of sugar and a pinch of coffee powder. And now our Dalgona coffee is ready.
Do try it out at your home as well and let me know how it worked out in the comment section below. I hope you have liked this video. Do subscribe to my channel. Until next time, this is Sanjay signing off.